show. It's Business Tonight right here on ET Now.
Okay, now as the country faces a slowdown, India Inc. is gearing up to face the challenges. So we caught up with two corporates, Harsh Mariwala and Adi Godrej, to really get their take on the situation at hand.
Rural incomes are rising a lot. First of all, the NREGA scheme is helping that. So people have alternatives to work on. Okay. Rural labor costs are rising. That means incomes are rising. So I think the rural situation is very good.
So you did hint at NREGA. Does that mean that social sector schemes have truly helped India's rural population to sort of step up in their consumption patterns?
Yes, I think in some ways they have. They have created alternatives for rural employment, and it has also created a situation where most rural people are able to earn reasonable income.
Players like Godrej have brands for rural India focused at them. Are they getting sort of increasingly interested in getting brand conscious in their own way?
Yes, I think rural consumers are getting more sophisticated. But what we should remember, Shaili, is that if you go back say 15-20 years, there was very little discretionary income in rural India. Most rural earnings went to keep body and soul together.
Yes.
Now as incomes rise, the rise in discretionary expenditure is very high.
Marico's offices are in Mumbai. Marico is using this slowdown by exploring acquisitions in global markets, growing its foods portfolio, and investing in innovation and research.
We have to look at what cuts ice with the consumer, either in order to increase market share or to increase market size.
Do slowdowns make for better periods for you to do higher research for new products?
No, I think slowdown, in a way, it makes you introspect much more, and you are far more agile as an organization. There is some degree of concern that if growth doesn't happen, what will happen to the organization. So you are far more sensitive to issues like innovation, pricing, growth in a slowdown, and including your costs.
So that's the point. So from a corporate point of view, the costs are very important. Yeah. But from a customer's point of view, the price sensitivity, I'm imagining, goes up even more during a slowdown. How do you deal with that?
Yeah, I agree that the sensitivity is much higher in a slowdown, because within the same budget, partly because of higher inflation, the household has to manage purchases in a smaller basket. And I think the key challenge to us as FMCG companies is to offer products at the right price point at one level, products which are innovative by giving some packages rather than just giving standalone products.